Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Noah and Allie.
Hi everyone, we're so happy you're here.
How are you today, Allie?
I'm doing well.
That's good to hear.
What about you?
I'm doing pretty well, too.
Good.
Are you feeling awake today?
Mostly.
Mostly?
I had coffee, so that helps.
There it is.
What?
We started talking less than 30 seconds ago, and coffee is already part of the conversation.
Some things never change.
That's true.
Did you have coffee today?
Of course.
Good. I was worried.
Worried?
You're usually very cheerful.
Usually?
Most of the time.
I'll take that.
Good.
So, Allie, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're going to have a simple conversation about daily life.
We'll talk about things people do every day.
Things like food, hobbies, routines, weekends, and other everyday topics.
So if you're learning English, this is a great episode to practice listening.
And before we begin, we have a small favor to ask.
If you enjoy our videos and want to see more episodes like this, please subscribe to the channel.
Don't forget to give this video a like.
And if you know someone who is learning English, please share this video with your friends and family.
Your support really helps us continue making more content like this.
Thank you so much for being here.
We really appreciate it.
All right, Allie,
Yes?
let's get started.
I'm ready.
What is one thing you do every single day?
That's easy.
Really?
Absolutely.
Let's hear it.
I listen to music.
Every day?
Every single day.
That's a good answer.
What about you?
I listen to music too.
See? Everybody does it.
Maybe not everybody.
Okay, most people.
What kind of music do you like?
It depends on my mood.
That's fair.
Sometimes I want something relaxing.
Okay.
Sometimes I want something energetic.
Same here.
What kind of music do you listen to?
A little bit of everything.
That's the answer people give when they can't choose.
Maybe.
Be honest.
I am being honest.
So you're saying you like every kind of music?
Not every kind.
That's what I thought.
But I enjoy trying different things.
That's a better answer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Besides listening to music, what else do you do every day?
I check the weather
Really?
every morning
Why?
because I like knowing what kind of day I'm going to have.
That makes sense.
Do you check the weather?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Only when I need to.
That's risky.
Risky.
What if it rains?
Then I get wet.
That's not a great plan.
It has worked so far.
I don't know if I believe that.
Fair enough.
Speaking of mornings, what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
The first thing?
The very first thing.
I get out of bed.
Wow.
What?
Such an exciting answer.
You asked.
I was hoping for something more interesting.
Fine.
Go on.
I get out of bed and make coffee.
There it is.
What?
We always end up talking about coffee.
You're the one who brought it up earlier.
That's true.
What about you?
Honestly,
Yes.
I usually check my phone.
Really?
I know.
How long do you spend looking at it?
Longer than I should.
I think a lot of people can relate to that.
Definitely.
Do you ever tell yourself you'll only check one thing?
Every time.
And then...
10 minutes disappear.
Exactly.
Sometimes even more.
That's dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Let's talk about breakfast.
Now we're talking.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Usually,
What's your favorite breakfast?
pancakes.
Good choice.
What's yours?
Eggs and toast.
That's such a Noah answer.
What does that mean?
It's simple.
Is that a bad thing?
No,
Good.
just predictable.
I can live with that.
Do you cook breakfast yourself?
Most of the time.
Are you a good cook?
I think I'm a decent cook.
Better answer.
What about you?
I can cook.
That sounds uncertain.
Let me try again.
Please do.
I can cook simple meals.
That's honest.
If a recipe has too many steps, I start to worry.
How many steps is too many?
More than 5.
5?
Maybe 6.
That's not a lot.
Exactly.
I think that's the problem.
You're probably right.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Pasta.
Nice.
It's easy.
That's important.
And it tastes good.
Also important.
What about you?
I enjoy making breakfast foods.
Even for dinner?
Sometimes.
Breakfast for dinner is underrated.
I completely agree.
Finally, something we agree on.
We've agreed on lots of things today.
That's true.
Let's see if that continues.
Uh-oh.
Here's another question.
Okay.
When you get home after a long day, what do you like to do first?
That's easy.
Go ahead.
I change into comfortable clothes.
Immediately?
Immediately.
Not even 5 minutes later?
No.
That's impressive.
Comfortable clothes make everything better.
I can't argue with that.
What do you do?
I usually sit down for a few minutes.
And relax?
Exactly.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes.
Movies?
Sometimes.
Videos online?
Sometimes.
You say sometimes a lot.
Because it's true.
Fair enough.
What do you like to do in the evening?
I usually read.
Every evening?
Not every evening.
Most evenings?
Most evenings.
What do you like about reading?
It helps me relax.
I understand that.
It helps me slow down after a busy day.
That's a good reason.
What helps you relax?
Going for a walk,
Really?
especially when the weather is nice.
Morning walks or evening walks?
Usually evening walks.
That sounds peaceful.
It is.
You know what?
What?
Daily life sounds kind of boring when people describe it.
Sometimes.
But when you really think about it, there are lots of little things we enjoy.
That's true.
Coffee,
Here we go again.
breakfast,
Okay.
music,
Sure.
reading,
Yes.
walks.
Definitely.
Those small things make our days better.
I think you're right.
That's not something I hear very often.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
I will.
Speaking of things we enjoy, I have one more question.
All right.
What is your favorite part of the weekend?
My favorite part of the weekend?
That's right.
That's easy.
Really?
Saturday morning.
Interesting.
Everything feels relaxed.
I know what you mean.
I don't have to rush anywhere.
That's a nice feeling.
I can wake up slowly.
No alarms?
Sometimes no alarms.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I actually like Sunday mornings.
Really?
Yes.
Why Sunday?
Everything feels quiet.
That's true.
I enjoy peaceful mornings.
I think that's because you're a morning person.
Maybe.
Definitely.
Fair enough.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Nothing too exciting.
Here we go.
What?
You're about to say something very calm and responsible.
Probably.
Go ahead.
I usually go for a walk.
Called it.
Then I might read a little.
Of course.
Then maybe meet friends or family.
That's actually nice.
What about your weekends?
Mine are a little different.
How so?
Sometimes I make plans.
Okay.
Sometimes I don't.
Very helpful answer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Honestly, some weekends I stay home.
Nothing wrong with that.
I watch a movie,
Nice.
maybe order some food,
Also nice.
and just relax.
That sounds like a good weekend.
I think so too.
Are you someone who likes staying home?
Most of the time, yes.
Really?
I like going out sometimes.
But
Home is comfortable.
that's true.
What about you?
I think I'm somewhere in the middle.
Meaning,
I enjoy staying home,
okay,
but if I stay home too long, I want to go somewhere.
I understand that.
Then when I'm out for too long,
You want to go home.
exactly.
Humans are funny.
We really are.
Let's talk about food again.
Again?
Food is important.
That's true.
If you could eat only one meal for a week, what would it be?
Only one meal?
Yes.
That's difficult.
Good.
I'd probably choose something simple.
Such as?
Chicken, rice, and vegetables.
That is the most Noah answer possible.
Why?
It's healthy.
That's a good thing.
It's practical.
Also a good thing?
It's a little boring.
That's where we disagree.
What would you choose?
Pizza.
I'm shocked.
Very funny.
I know.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Not really.
No?
I like trying different places.
That's a good idea.
What about you?
Same.
Really?
Sure.
I thought you'd have one favorite place.
Why?
Because you're predictable.
You keep saying that.
Because it keeps being true.
I don't know how to respond to that.
Because I'm right.
Let's change the subject.
Good idea.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I wish I did.
Really?
I've always wanted a dog.
What kind of dog?
Any friendly dog.
That's fair.
What about you?
I like dogs too.
Are you a dog person or a cat person?
That's a dangerous question.
Why?
People have strong opinions,
They really do.
but I'd probably say dogs.
Same.
What would you name your dog?
Oh, that's a good question.
Take your time.
I have no idea.
Really?
I haven't planned that far ahead.
Most people have a list ready.
Not me.
I'd probably spend more time choosing a name than choosing the dog.
That sounds like something you would do.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's another question.
Okay.
If you could visit any country tomorrow, where would you go?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
That's difficult.
Why?
There are so many places I'd like to visit.
Pick one.
Maybe Japan.
Good choice.
What about you?
I'd love to visit Italy.
For the history?
Partly.
The culture?
Also, yes.
The food?
Mostly the food.
I knew it.
What can I say?
Food is important.
You've said that several times today.
Because it's true.
Fair enough.
Noah,
Yes?
can I tell you something?
Of course.
The more we talked, the more interesting it became.
I think that's because daily life is what we all have in common.
That's true.
We all wake up. We all eat. We all have hobbies.
And favorite foods?
And favorite weekends.
And favorite ways to relax.
Exactly.
You know what else I noticed?
What's that?
We've been talking for quite a while,
We have.
but the conversation never felt difficult.
That's because we're talking about things we enjoy.
And asking questions.
Exactly.
That's actually good advice for English learners.
It is.
You don't need complicated topics.
Not at all.
You can talk about your day,
Your hobbies,
your favorite food,
your weekend plans.
simple things.
Simple things make great conversations.
I like that.
Me too.
I had a lot of fun today.
So did I.
And we hope you enjoyed spending time with us.
We hope today's conversation helped you practice your English and feel more confident listening to natural conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give the video a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Noah and Allie.
If you have friends or family members who are learning English, please share this video with them.
Your support helps us continue creating more episodes like this.
Thank you so much for listening.
We'll be back with another conversation very soon.
Take care, everyone,
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.